Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by confirming your Dell laptop meets the requirements for live wallpaper. Ensure Windows 10 or 11 is installed and DirectX 11 or higher is present. Check you have at least 4 GB of RAM and a discrete GPU for smooth 60 FPS playback. Note your display resolution, for example 1920 x 1080 or 3840 x 2160, and the aspect ratio 16:9. Create a restore point and backup desktop settings before proceeding to installation. Open Steam and sign into your account, or create a free account if needed. Search for Wallpaper Engine, purchase if required, and click Install to download the application. After installation, launch Wallpaper Engine and accept any permission prompts for desktop access. In Wallpaper Engine settings, enable hardware acceleration and allow the app to start with Windows for persistent wallpapers. Close Steam and Wallpaper Engine only after confirming the chosen wallpaper runs correctly on your desktop. Open Wallpaper Engine to choose or import a wallpaper from the workshop or a local file. Assign the wallpaper to a single monitor or to all displays and adjust scale to match 1920 x 1080 or other resolutions. Use performance settings to reduce quality, disable heavy effects, or cap the frame rate to save battery and CPU. If the wallpaper fails to play, update GPU drivers. Run Wallpaper Engine as administrator and check antivirus exclusions. Finally, set the app to
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.